With cryptocurrency prices extremely bullish over the last 24 hours, over the last day, 2 days, 3 days, week, month, guys, it has been a very bullish run, and I believe it's going to get even better. Now, with that, I've been taking a look at some of the price predictions for different cryptocurrencies over the last couple of weeks here, and one that I want to focus on in this video is SPX6900. This is, I believe, the top 7th meme coin by overall market cap, a 7% weekly gain, about even on the day today. But if you take a look at its overall performance, this is one of those memes that goes down in the history books. Literally 66 million% all-time returns, going from 3 zeros and a 1.7 to $1.70. I mean, we're talking about massive, massive increases here. And analysts expect that it could get even better. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, I'm going to spend a couple of minutes here talking about these price predictions, short-term, mid-term, and long-term projections. Now, clearly, the price action has been phenomenal so far, with a little bit of a pullback at the end of 2024 into the beginning of 2025 here, but nonetheless, massive gains since then. And at a $1.6 billion market cap, it still has a long way to go. I mean, think about it, guys. SHIB and dogecoin peaked out at like $50 billion valuations. You could be seeing another 50x increase in this meme coin just to get to those levels. So let's see what analysts have to say, and I believe that they're conservative. It says in the short term, it's expected to be between $1.60 and $2. Well, you know what? It's been between $1.60 and $2 for the last couple of months. So I think that what's going on there is just a look at the current market data and what's happening. Let's talk about midterm. It says for the end of 2025, analysts expect that SPX 6900 could be at $1.85 on a 5% annual growth rate. 5% annual growth rate is stupid. I mean, there's nothing that indicates this is limited to a 5% annualized growth rate. It's grown at 66 million% over the last year and a half, 2 years, guys. So I don't understand why they're applying a 5% annualized growth rate to this. It says up to, right, $2.07 for 2026. We could be hitting $4.07. And finally, long-term price predictions. This gets a little bit more in the realm of what I believe actually could happen. Talking about prices all the way up to $81.12. Now, clearly, $81.12 for SPX 6900 is a dramatic difference from the current price. That's a roughly 80x increase from the current levels, but I don't believe that that's an impossibility. Okay, now over the next 4 or 5 years, when 2030 hits, that's a long way away, but let's talk about what happens during bull markets. Okay, this is on the level of Shiba Inu coin. Talking about a $1.6 billion valuation now. SHIB in 2021 and Dogecoin in 2021 reached $50 billion valuations. That $80 billion valuation is not that far-fetched if SPX 6900 becomes one of the best meme coins out there. Now, with that, you can buy SPX 6900, and one of the places that you can do so is the KSX exchange. Get a link for that down in the description below, or you can choose to invest in other tokens that are very similar in nature. Token 6900 is still in its ICO stages, and this is one that I've bought on 3 separate occasions. They've raised $1.7 million so far, and they've got a tiny little $5 million hard cap, meaning when they reach $5 million, they're going to launch. If they don't reach it, they're going to launch when they hit 0.7125 cents. So, knowing that this is taking advantage of that 6900 name, same way that SPX 6900 did, knowing that these guys are claiming to be nothing more than a pure meme coin, and meme coins run the most during bull market FOMO periods when investors are extremely greedy, I am excited about this opportunity. Therefore, I am taking it. So if SPX 6900 continues to do very well, I would expect Token 6900 to do well as well. And with that, I continue to buy. Guys, I am loading up for this bull market rally like I have never done before, and I anticipate very good things. If you anticipate good things, let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.